Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a data analyst. Today in this video, we will see how you can get the badge of top LinkedIn voice. As you can see on the screen on my profile, I have got the badge for top data visualization voice. So today we will discuss how you can also get the same badge on your profile. So let's directly move to LinkedIn and see. So when you open LinkedIn, you can search my profile or to see here I've got the badge for top data visualization voice. So let's click on it and see what is it. So it says that people on LinkedIn find Anmol Malvi a noteworthy contributor to collaborative article in the following skills, and these badges are reassessed every 60 days. So basically I've got the badge for two skills. First is data visualization and second is problem solving, and the key thing here is the contributor to collaborative article. So we will see further what this collaborative article is. So this is the badge, how it look like, and if you see the details about this badge, then you can see here that the blue LinkedIn top voice badge is invitation only, and LinkedIn has selected a group of people for it who can contribute to the articles, and after contributing, if people in the LinkedIn community find those articles helpful and interact with it, based on it you will get this badge. So to contribute to the articles, you simply have to search the skill in which you want to contribute. Let's say you are looking for data visualization, so you can simply search about it, and here you can find in the first search bar a page by LinkedIn skill page. So you can click on it. Here you can find that there is a page created by LinkedIn itself which is particularly focused for data visualization. So you will have to open it, and here you can find the option for a section for articles. So you can navigate here, and then you can find list of all the articles in this domain, and then you have to just click on add your perspective, and from here you can start your contribution. This is the articles what it says. Then we have some subsections, and as you can see here, one contribution has already been made. So this is the collaborative articles in which we have to contribute to get this badge. And here, as I have already got the badge, so it says that you are in the top 3% of quality contribution. So I've got this badge. So basically when we contribute in these articles and people interact with them, so interact is basically means that when people like your article, so you have to be in the top 5%. Likes is equals to interaction. So as much as people like your post or articles, you will move toward the top 5%, and when you are in top 5%, then you will get this badge. So this is how you can select your domain. Second thing is you can directly search on Google that LinkedIn collaborative articles, and then you can find this page, and here you can see there are some articles listed, and these are combined articles. So if you want to see your topic, then you can click on this see all topic, and here you can find list of all the sections, all the domains available here. So you can simply navigate to whatever field you want to contribute. Let's say you want to contribute in data fields, so you can click on this D, and all the domains related to data is available here. So data analysis, data analytics, data architecture. As of now I have already got the badge for data visualization, so let's see something else. So I will move toward, let's say, data modeling. I will click on it, and then I will find this contribution. So these are various articles in which I can contribute. So I will randomly click on anyone, and now it says that contribute to 3+ articles in this skill with your unique perspective to be considered for a top data modeling voice badge. And then these are evaluated every day, and the progress has been updated after 24 hours. So whenever I contribute to this article, my contribution will be shown here. One key thing here is if you contribute in a let's say some article has already been popular and many people has already contributed in it, so your contribution will get vanished, as the sorting is based on the number of likes. So the people who have contributed earlier will already shown on top, so your contribution will get vanished in some below points. So one key thing you have to keep in mind here is select those articles in which many contribution hasn't been made. And one cheat code you can follow is, after making a contribution, you can like it by yourself, so it can come on top based on the number of likes. So from here you can find the domain in which you want to contribute, and after contributing you will also share it with your uh, colleagues or your fellow mates to let them know about your contribution. And to see those contribution, you can navigate to your profile, and then you have to go to the comment section. So here when we go to comments, I can find all my contribution made here. So these are all the articles in which I have contributed. From here we can see the progress of our contribution, and once you are in the top 5%, you will receive these badges. So this is the process of receiving the top voice badge of LinkedIn. And then there are frequently asked questions too. So as of now, not everyone has the access to contribute in these articles. Only few members have been selected. As you can see here, LinkedIn has invited a selected group of experts to contribute insight within these articles. So if you are not eligible for it, what you can do as of now is you can interact with the articles which are already available. You can like them, you can provide feedback on them, and after it you will also get eligible after few times once LinkedIn review your profile. So these are few things, and if in case you have any doubt, then you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will provide the link of my profile in the description, and you can ask any doubt if you have. Thank you.